Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply invite someone to your Google meeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click your new meeting, and let's just start a new meeting, doesn't matter. Now the camera is starting and you can see me straight away, and I'm going to click here join now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is when you go to the show everyone, you're gonna see everyone here, and you want to click add people. And you want to click whatever you want. So that's pretty much it. So again, you just click add people here, and that's probably it. Now if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yep, have a great day and goodbye.